And what I'd like to do is show you how to make a beautiful Wagyu score 5 to 7. It's not too much fat, but it has a lot of flavor, a lot of taste, and it's a Wagyu beef from Australia, which is really just outstanding. Is you want to heat the pan up a little bit. I like to be very generous with the meat. Today we have some small red onions, shallots, we have some fresh thyme, French butter, sea salt, black pepper, okay? We're gonna cut a nice generous steak, and I'm gonna show you the marbling in that steak. So look at that, beautiful marbling, just a little bit of fat, and it's just absolutely melts in your mouth. You sprinkle a little bit with sea salt, a little bit of black pepper, pat it down so it goes in, flip it over. Heating up the pan right now with a little bit of olive oil. You want to get a nice, good sear on it. So here we go.
So how long you have to wait for?
Okay, so what I like to do is I love to serve this medium rare. Because what you want to do is you want to render the fat a little bit, get the flavor, the taste. And it's very important also when you cook that meat, you want to rest it a few minutes. So you sear it real good on both sides, you take it off, you let it sit for a few minutes. It's like going to a massage parlor. It's massaging the muscles, and then the muscles get tight. So what happens, it needs to relax. And when that meat relaxes, all the tendons in the meat will also relax and get more tender. So this is the idea. You want to sear it at a very good heat in the olive oil. And now what we're going to do is, while we're continuing to do that, we're going to add a little bit of thyme. And we're going to put these red onions inside, because that is where you're going to have a beautiful flavor.
So this means it has to taste little bit like from the onion.
Yeah, so the onion, when the onion starts to cook, the smell comes out, the sweetness comes out. It goes inside the meat, and that's where your flavor comes. And of course, you need a little bit of butter. Now, anybody who's doing keto or watching the carbs, anybody will tell you that fat is good, so butter is delicious. This is not my idea. We're doing this before the caveman time.
I keep telling June that fat does not make you fat.
It makes you skinny.
Yes.
Okay, so now, we don't want to overdo it, but what we want to do is we want to get a little bit of that butter cooking together. And you see, we got a really nice color. And now the thyme, the shallots, the sea salt, the black pepper, the butter is all going inside that. It will start to brown a little bit. When the butter browns, it gets more flavor because it gets a little noisette. In French, we call it noisette, and that is the key to a great steak. The whole idea of this concept is that you don't want to flip it many times. I started here once, I turned it over, I wanted to sear it before I put the butter in the shallots. And now, are you okay with beef medium rare, or do you like it more cooked?
I like medium rare. It's perfect for me.
Okay, great. Oh my God, we're excited. It takes about 6 minutes. Then what I'll do is I'll remove it from the pan. You can touch it to feel, is it medium, is it medium rare, is it rare? I like to rest that for about 5 minutes, let the meat relax, heat it up for just 1 minute, and then serve it right away with some creamy mashed potatoes and a mixed herb salad, which is wonderful. Okay, and then I add that back into the pan, After it has rested for a while, hit it with just a little bit more sea salt. I like to serve it with a beautiful mashed potato and a salad made with kale, frisee, tomato, radicchio. I serve it with a French vinaigrette, which has the acid in it to break down and balance all that wonderful flavor with the meat. There you go, June.
Smell very good.
That
This smells really, really good.
That is a beautiful
Wow.
steak that is served at comfort. And let's just put a little bit of shallots on there. Little decoration. And there you have it. A beautiful Wagyu ribeye steak, marbling score 5 to 7, cooked in a French style, served with creamy mashed potatoes and a salad. And if you want a little bit of English mustard, I'd be happy to serve it to you.
That looks great.
Yeah.
They do.
The flavor is not.
I didn't over salt it, so
No, that's very. It's salty enough.
yeah.
It's very tender. Wow. It's gone. That just melts straight in your mouth.
And that's it for today. Another wonderful cooking lesson for you. And before you know it, within 1 year, you're going to be a famous Michelin star chef.
Oh,
Thank you so much.
thank you. ขอบคุณค่ะ
And Nick, just a little special present for you for your 50th birthday. Please give a glass to June.
I will. No, I might think about it. Harlan, thank you very much. Appreciate it. Thank you. I'll see you again. June, how nice was that steak?
Well,
That,
I think when go back, I have to go Thai to make, but I don't think it's gonna come be the same. So better come back and eat here.
right, guys, thank you for watching this short video. See you next time.